Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to see the further part of our chapter. The chapter name is My Best Friend, okay, and which is written by Shirgun Shrivastava. We have already seen that who is Shirgun Shrivastava. Now let's move ahead and see the further part of this chapter. As we know that there is one girl whose name is Vijayalakshmi. She was very clever, okay, but sort of shy type of girl, okay, and she has written one nice essay on her best friend, and her teacher told her to read that essay in front of the class, and she started, okay. Till that part we have seen in our last video. Now we are going to see the further part, okay. So she said that my friend says, so what if they call us Blackie? Let them. It doesn't bother me, okay. See, she is you can see this picture. In this picture you can see a group of girls, okay. From this group of girls, she is who is showing one finger to someone. This girl is Vijayalakshmi's friend, and the beside girl, she is a Vijayalakshmi, okay. So they both are belongs from the South India, and that's why their tone of their skin is a little dark, and that's why all the students were calling them Blackies, okay. When others calling them Blackie, her friend was not minding it, but Vijayalakshmi was minding it. She was feeling very bad, okay. When she was feeling bad, at that time her friend was telling her that, so what if they call us Blackies? Let them. It doesn't bother me. Don't you know that black is beautiful? When I look at her large sparkling eyes and her straight black hair falling softly on her shoulders, I say to myself, yes, of course, she is beautiful, but not me. Not with my awful frizzy hair and dark skin tone. See, when others were teasing them by the Blackie, at that time Vijayalakshmi was get annoyed, but her friend, she was not. She was saying to Vijayalakshmi that don't bother, don't take a load of their teasing, and she was telling her that black is also very beautiful. And Vijayalakshmi telling us that when she was looking at her friend, and then she come to know that really black is really beautiful, because her friend was so beautiful, though her color was black, but she was so beautiful. But she was not happy with her, because she was telling that I'm not beautiful like her, because I have a frizzy hair. Now what is the frizzy hair? That frizzy hair means it's a little bit curly hairs, which is not straight, and Vijayalakshmi also having a dark tone, okay. So this is what a little explanation about Vijayalakshmi's friend, okay. Now go ahead. I tell her black is beautiful, but it's just a slogan. Nobody thinks so in real life, okay. So she said that, okay, I agree with you that black is beautiful, but it's just a slogan. In real life, no one think like this. Everyone think that white fair is only beautiful, and black is not beautiful, but like this others says, okay. I agree. She laughed. But how do you like this? Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Okay, I think to myself, I like it. It almost sounds like a poem. I wonder where she reads all this. I have never come across such beautiful words in the books that I have read. Okay, see. When Vijayalakshmi was arguing with her friend, she told that black is beautiful. It's just a slogan. In real life, no one think like this. On that point, her friend told her that beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, okay. Means beauty does not lies in the things, but it lies in the eyes of the beholder. So if in your eyes there is a beauty, you will see whole world is beautiful. isn't it? So Vijayalakshmi get very impressed by these words, and she thought to herself that from where she got such a nice means from where she got such a nice words. She never came across such kind of nice and kind words. Okay, so she was very wonder about her friend. Okay, my friend says one has to be bold. She is, but I am not. She can walk over to a group of children and say, "Hi, I'm Indira and this is Vijayalakshmi. Everyone calls us Blackie. You can call us Blackie too. If you like, otherwise Indi and VG will be fine." See, here one group we can see. Okay, and I already told you that this girl, she is Indira, who is the friend of Vijayalakshmi. Okay, and she was very bold, and she was always telling to Vijayalakshmi that we have to be bold. And yes, she was very bold because she can come across a group of children and she can boldly say them, Hi, hello. She introduced themselves. I am Indira and she is Vijayalakshmi. We both called Blackie. You can also call us Blackie, but otherwise you can call us Indi and Viji. It will be very fine to us, isn't it? Like this, she was introducing herself in front of others. Okay, so Vijayalakshmi telling that she is so bold, and she was telling Vijayalakshmi also to have to be bold. Okay, I wish I could do that, but I can't. I have tried, but I can't bring myself to say the first hello to anyone. With her, I can do many things. I run and win race. I can cook meals and rustle up tasty snacks. I jump into the deep end of the swimming pool. Okay, so what Vijayalakshmi telling? Vijayalakshmi telling when she was with her friend whose name is Indira, she do everything, whatever she want. Okay, even she was running and she was winning race. She was making food. She was making tasty snacks. She was she was jump deep inside the pool, and she was swimming, and she was doing everything, isn't it? She was climbing tree. But when I stand in front of these very things the next day alone, they look dangerous, high, or impossible to me. I wonder how I ever managed to do those things, all that. That means she was telling when Indira was with her at that time, she can do anything. She was not thinking a beat also, and she was doing all the things. But when she was alone at that time, all the things looks very dangerous to her, and she was wonder that how she can manage all these things to do at all, isn't it? My friend says that's what friendship is about, doing things together. That's what friendship does to you. It gives you strength to be what you want, and a little more too. It brings out the best in you. Okay, so student, do you understand what is the real friendship is? Real friendship is that friendship which gives you strength, which brings out the best from you. Okay, this is what the thing. Friendship means the things which you friends do together. That's what the friendship. Okay, and VG and Indira's friendship was like this. I wonder what our friendship means to her. Does she feel the same about me as I do about her? That sometime I have never asked her, and I think I never will. It's enough that I have a friend like her. See, after all such nice conversation and such a wonderful relationship, Vijayalakshmi was thinking to herself that is the friendship means to her friend the same way it means to Vijayalakshmi. The question was coming in her mind. But she is not going to ask it because she was pretty happy that she have a friend like Indira in her life. The girl closed the magazine and gave it back to her teacher. Okay, Miss Parvati said, these are beautiful lines on friendship, Vijayalakshmi. These are beautiful thoughts. I am glad you have such a good friend. Do we know her? She is in our class. The girl dropped her head and shook it slightly. In our school, maybe? The girl didn't answer. Does she live in our colony? The girl stared down at her black shoes silently. Then raised her eyes. Vijayalakshmi said bravely, "No, she doesn't stay in our colony." She was staring down at the floor. She looked at through. She was fighting a battle in her mind. Slowly she looked up and said, "Ma'am, I will not beat around the bush. Actually, I do not have any friend. This friend that I have written about is imaginary. I really wish I did have such a friend." So, student, after telling this wonderful essay, Vijayalakshmi stopped and she closed the magazine. Then her class teacher, Miss Parvati, said to her that these are the wonderful words, these are the wonderful lines about the friendship she has ever come across, isn't it? And she was asking her that, do we know her? Is she is from our school? Is she is from our class? Is she is leaving our colony? She was just bombarding of a question on her. She was staring to her black shoes and she was just shaking her head and she was just struggling from inside to come out. Okay, and finally she come out and she said that, "Ma'am, I'm not going to beat around the bush, and actually I don't have such kind of friend. The character which I have written, this is the imaginary character, but really I want a friend like this." Okay, now a hush fell over the classroom. No one moved. Front pair of eyes looked at a girl standing near the teacher's desk, head bent. Okay, after Vijayalakshmi's this confession, everyone was just stunned. They just shocked that there is no one like a friend. Out of the uncomfortable silence rang a cheerful voice. "Oh, but you do." A girl rose and walked down the aisle to the teacher's desk. It was Nimmi Khanna, the most popular girl in the class. Nimmi, the favorite of everyone, the confident and dashing Nimmi. She held out her hand and said warmly, "Yes, you do, Viji." Okay, students, so after telling that there is no such character in actual, it's just an imaginary character which she has portrayed, and she is wishing that such kind of person has to be in her life as a good friend. Okay, after hearing all this, whole class becomes silent. They just stunned and there was a pin drop silence. Okay, everyone was just looking at her. From that uncomfortable silence, uncomfortable situation, one girl came out whose name was Nimmi Khanna. Nimmi Khanna was very dashing and popular girl in the classroom, and she came front and she offered her friendship to Viji, and she said what friend she is searching for. She would like to be that friend for Viji. Okay, and this is what all about the story. Okay, student, so do you understand the story? Okay, so see you in our next video.